Chapter 4 Simple Interest. Simple Interest. 500 rupees in piggy bank. After a year, extra equal to 0, 500 rupees. 500 rupees. After a year, extra equal to 50 rupees, 550 rupees. Many of you put money in a piggy bank. Do you get any extra money keeping it for a year? Yes or no? Obviously not. However, if you put the same money in a bank, you get some extra money. The extra money you get from the bank is called the interest. The money you deposit or put in the bank is called the principal. Total money you get after a fixed time is called the amount. Principal P plus interest I is equal to amount A. Calculating simple interest. The simple interest I depends upon principal P, rate R, and time T. The formula for calculating the simple interest is simple interest I is equal to P into R into T upon 100. Amount A is equal to P plus I. Principal P is equal to A minus I. Interest I is equal to A minus P. Example: find the amount if the principal is 14,600 rupees and the interest is 1,460 rupees. Solution: A is equal to P plus I is equal to 14,600 rupees plus 1,460 rupees is equal to 16,060 rupees. Example: find the interest if the amount is 5,000 rupees and the principal is 4,500 rupees. Solution: A is equal to P plus I, as I is equal to A minus P is equal to 5,000 rupees minus 4,500 rupees is equal to 500 rupees. Example: find the principal if the amount is 9,000 rupees and the interest is 1,100 rupees. Solution: P is equal to A minus I is equal to 9,000 rupees minus 1,100 rupees is equal to 7,900 rupees. Example: Ram deposits 4,600 rupees in a bank. He will get back an amount of 5,000 rupees after a year. Find the simple interest he will get. Solution: P is equal to 4,600 rupees. A is equal to 5,000 rupees. I is equal to A minus P is equal to 5,000 rupees minus 4,600 rupees is equal to 400 rupees. Thus, Ram will get an interest of 400 rupees after a year. Example: Sam invested a certain amount of money and got back an amount of 7,200 rupees. If the bank paid an interest of 600 rupees, find the amount Sam invested. Solution: A is equal to 7,200 rupees. SI is equal to 600 rupees. P is equal to A minus I is equal to 7,200 minus 600 is equal to 6,600 rupees. Therefore, Sam invested 6,600 rupees. Example: Manoj deposited 8,000 rupees for 4 years at a rate of 6% per annum. Find the interest and amount Manoj got. Solution: P is equal to 8,000 rupees. T is equal to 4 years. R is equal to 6% per annum. I is equal to P into R into T upon 100 is equal to 8,000 into 6 into 4 upon 100 is equal to 1,920 rupees. A is equal to P plus I is equal to 8,000 rupees plus 1,920 rupees is equal to 9,920 rupees. Therefore, the interest Manoj got is equal to 1,920 rupees and the amount Manoj got 9,920 rupees. Example: Tim invested 1,500 rupees at the rate of 6% per annum for 7 years and 3 months. Find the amount he got back. Solution. P is equal to 1,500 rupees. R is equal to 6% per annum. T is equal to 7 years and 3 months. That is 7 3 upon 12 years is equal to 7 1 upon 4 years is equal to 29 upon 4 years. I is equal to P into R into T upon 100 is equal to 1,500 into 6 into 29 upon 100 into 4 is equal to 652.50 rupees. Therefore, A is equal to P plus I is equal to 1,500 rupees plus 652.50 rupees. Therefore, amount Tim got back is equal to 2,152.50 rupees. Example, Neela borrowed 3,400 rupees at the rate of 8% per annum for 225 days. Find the interest and amount she paid. Solution. P is equal to 3,400 rupees. R is equal to 8% per annum. T is equal to 225 days or 225 upon 365 years. I is equal to P into R into T upon 100 is equal to 3,400 into 8 into 225 upon 100 into 365 is equal to 167.67 rupees. A is equal to P plus I is equal to 3,400 rupees plus 167.67 rupees is equal to 3,567.67 rupees. Therefore, amount paid by Neela is 3,567.67 rupees and the interest paid by her is 167.67 rupees. Calculating principal, period of time and rate of interest. To find principal P when T, I and R are given, I is equal to P into R into T upon 100, as P is equal to 100 into I upon R into T. To find rate R when P, I and T are given, I is equal to P into R into T upon 100. So, R is equal to 100 into I upon P into T. To find time when P, I and R are given, I is equal to P into R into T upon 100. So, T is equal to 100 into I upon P into R. Example, time is equal to 3 years, I is equal to 600 rupees, R is equal to 4% per annum, find P. Solution, P is equal to 100 into I upon R into T is equal to 100 into 600 upon 4 into 3 is equal to 5,000 rupees. Example, P is equal to 2,100 rupees, I is equal to 350 rupees, T is equal to 2 years. Find R. Solution, R is equal to 100 into I upon P into T is equal to 100 into 350 upon 2,100 into 2 is equal to 8.33%. Example, P is equal to 1,500 rupees, I is equal to 450 rupees, R is equal to 5% per annum. Find T. Solution, T is equal to 100 into I upon P into R is equal to 100 into 450 upon 1,500 into 6 is equal to 5 years.